Hello children, let us start today with the first lesson of history, the rise of nationalism in Europe. The chapter starts with the painting given here on the first page, made by Frederic Seurat, who was a French artist. So here he shows his, that is through his dream of a different type of world, a world which is made up of democratic and social republics. And here in this that it shows that the people of Europe and America, they have lined up, all, that is men and women of different ages, of different classes, they have lined up in a queue, and they are offering homage to the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty, which is holding in one hand the Charter of Rights of Man, and in the other one the torch of enlightenment. So here two of the words we see here, absolutist institutions and utopian vision. So absolutist institutions, that is a form of government that was especially, that is a monarchical form of government that was centralized, militarized, and which was very repressive. So that type of institutions were shattered. In this figure it is shown the shattered remains of such certain institutions is seen. So the people have raised their voice against such repressive form of government, and they want freedom and equality, and for that they have come one after the other, which is headed by, or which is led by the former, that is the countries, the former countries from where all this protest started. For example, like France. And here in Seurat's utopian vision, a vision that is an ideal vision, normally certain societies, they don't exist. Okay, so here further we'll see, that is they are leading the procession, and they are going past the Statue of Liberty, and which especially those countries are leading which were already nation states by that time. Then here when Seurat created this image, the German people, they did not yet exist exist as a united nation. The flag they carry is an expression of the liberal hopes. The flags which we see they are carrying there, they show the liberal hopes, that is people, they are demanding for a liberal form of government where they could get equality, the equal opportunity and the freedom. And all this scene is gazed by the Christ, saints and the angels from the heaven. So they are also gazing at such a scene. And here the artist is trying to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. That is, he is bringing a feeling of brotherhood, that is which he is looking forward for among the people, that is people of the different countries. Now here in the next paragraph, it is mentioned about a nation state and a modern state. So here another question can be raised: differentiate between a nation state and a modern state. So all these certain points will get here itself, the nation state emerged after, for nation states, these all points, like it emerged after overthrowing monarchy and dynasty rule in Europe. Then citizens, they developed a common identity based on shared culture, shared language, traditions and customs. Then a commonwealth was brought through the struggle and the actions of the leaders and the common people. Then for modern states, it have been developing over a long period of time in Europe. There was no sudden change here in the form of modern states. It was ruled by centralized power and authority over a clearly defined territory. Then the people speaking the different language and practicing different traditions and culture, they live together. That is, the nation states have presently developed as the modern states. The nation states earlier, which existed as the nation states, presently they are existing in the form of the modern states. So here it can be raised as a 3 mark of question. Now here one more thing we could recall what we studied in the previous year, that is in French Revolution these different forms of government they ruled over there, like Louis XVI was ruling, the monarch was ruling over there. Then his rule was overthrown and Republican form of government took over the charge. Then after that the Jacobin Club took the rule, and then the Directory ruled over, and after that Napoleon. So this shift in the rulers we studied earlier the previous year. Further ahead, that is the differentiate between nation state and modern state, it can be raised as a 3 mark question. So just try to frame 3 different points, at least 3 different points for this particular question's answer.